Okay, it's going right now. No bubbles yet. You might need to pour some more. I can't.
Mommy, Argo laughed when I fell down. No, I was laughing at Betty. Argo laughed when I fell down. No, I laughed at Betty. I like to move.
Argyle, go slow and make a nice bubble so we can all see a nice bubble.
This is fun.
There we go. There's a bubble.
It's a oh. Oh my
Did it
God,
pop?
this way.
Is it still alive?
Yes.
I'm trying to see it, but Betty's trying to get to it and ruin it. Oh man, it's hurting my back to get
It's
to
not
it.
popping.
There it is. No, they're unpoppable bubbles. That's what I was trying to tell you. You gonna do another one?
That would just pop.
Yeah, well, they last longer is what it is. They can't live forever. But they do live for quite a while.
Someone,
You need more liquid in there.
put some.
Let me stop this.